Welcome, guys. Now, I've decided to do something a little bit different because it hits a lot of subjects. Because researching into a game is it's in a lot of different games, and it deals with the UI. And if we decided to do some form of inventory for a first person shooter or anything like that, it would become very useful to have some type of modular system that will do what we want anyway. So, what I decided to do is a little research table like this. Now, it's pretty basic. It doesn't really do anything yet, but I did design it where it has a callback where you can do whatever you want. You just have to put it right here. Okay. Now you're going to familiarize yourself with this code because it's useful, and you're not going to probably understand what some of this is. Now, this research main is a script. This is actually on our main transform, but what this does first is you can start research, stop it, start it, and it'll say done on there, which you could do whatever you want for that. And then you can have these big long ones. They're independent, so they're very easily be able to, and you can stop. And there's a count for them all anyway. And this is completely dependent. It doesn't need this panel to be open to do research because the information is actually on the canvas right here anyway. Okay. This just tracks how many you're researching, maximum allowed, which it should not allow any more than one. Okay, if we put this to 0, it should not allow research. Oh, it's going to allow research anyway because of flat out the array size and things like that starts at 0. Well, the internal, it's a list, but anyway, it's going to allow more than one. It's not going to allow more than one. So if I do this and try to use this one won't work. Okay, it won't add it or anything like that, which is fine. I mean, you should only. Now, see that I click, it'll let this one. Now I click, it'll let this one. But it's got this allowance. See, that's what kind of stinks because these type of arrays and lists, they start at 0, so you really can't. You might be able to. I just haven't thought of it right now. Now, this is the update feature. You have to have some form of update right here because it will be doing your progressive void call. Okay. Now we did it this way because this is a script, so you can have a list of scripts and then do their void calls inside of them. Now the reason why I did it this way is in case we have like this scroll view right here off, this still runs in the background. It doesn't care about all this visual layer stuff. So it's still running in the background. I'll basically show you. You get us one of our content things, max progress. We'll just put it really, really big. That way we make sure we see it. And I got a tick amount in the current progress, and I don't know why I have this here. I might be deleting that pretty soon. But the thing is, we'll go into here. We'll start our research. Now, we'll go up to the scroll view here. We'll shut it off, and we'll go down to the panel. It's still doing the progress. Now, just to show you that I am, see, progress. And we should get a debug.log thing right here. It's just a small callback so that you guys will be able to see what's going on here. See, we're done. And it's a really simple script. We probably don't need this, so. Oh, wait. Let's. Yeah, we don't need this. Don't do nothing. Now, this main is really simple. You've seen it. It's just got this class, which I don't even know why I got this class. Now that I think about it. Yeah, I don't even need this class. Bleep. We'll just delete it because I'm not even using it. So, but all it does is update and do the void calls. Now you could do what we did for you can make this more refined, put in a coroutine or invoke statement every so many seconds. But I just put it in an update because it's one simple update. It's not doing like this major thing. And these for loops right here, they're really extremely fast. I mean, oh man, they're you can do a lot with them, and they're very quickly. They're not like the for eaches, so but it's called every frame. Like I said, you can change that if you want, and you have to do a generic name spacing because we use lists. Now in this script, we use the UI because we're adding text, bool, sliders, all that good stuff, and we are messing with lists, so we need generics. Now in the start, we do this main data, which is this, the research script. We grab it in the start. We do this and we go transform.root, which is the highest transform it is, and we get component this. Okay. So that way when we do our updates and things, we can go, hey, completed equals false, progress less than equal to max progress. If it's not, then we plus it a tick. That's the tick amount. And then we call our bars progress, just to get a visual layer and things. But if it's not in this, if it's completed is false and it's greater than, our max progress, we go completed equals true. We got this callback right here, which is for you guys to do whatever you want, and then I remove it from the list. And it just basically add and remove data does not contain max allowed. It's pretty simple stuff, and it doesn't contain this and progress. It's pretty simple stuff. We've done it before, and in our list we check that it doesn't. If it contains this, we remove it. We have to check first or we'll get an error. That's why we just don't directly go remove. This is our bars progress. See the tutorial about it if you don't understand it. I mean, it's in the videos. And this is just a callback. Hey, we're done setting the progress bar false, and then just debugging. You can do whatever you want in this. Hey, transform, blah blah blah. I mean, it's when it's done, and it's only going to be called once, so it doesn't matter. So this is just the little research part of it and everything, and well, search could not be found. Oh, holy crap! I actually got a reference somewhere. Huh? Save all. I'll figure it out there. Oh, no, it went away. But to get this piece right here, I don't know what this thing is. You just go and create yourself a scroll view port. It's pretty simple stuff. I mean, and you'll have to have yourself a grid layout. But